Hi students, welcome to KSN classes. Today we will discuss a few problems on indefinite integrals. The first problem is I is equal to integral 2x to the power of 12 plus 5x power 9 by x power 5 plus x cube plus 1 whole cube dx. This is a question given in JEE mains in 2016. Now here in this problem we will consider the solution. Here I is equal to integral 2x power 12 plus 5x power 9 by, from the denominator x to the power of 5 plus x cube plus 1 whole cube. I will take x power 5 common, that will become x to the power of 15. If I take x power 5 common, this will be 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x power 5 whole cube dx. Now I will divide the numerator with this x power 15. 2 by x cube plus 5 by x power 6 dx by 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x power 5 whole cube. Now here we will consider substitution. Put 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x power 5 is equal to t. Now for this, if you take derivative 0 minus 2 by x cube minus 5 by x power 6 dx is equal to dt. Now here by taking minus common, this will become minus dt. So minus dt by, this is t cube, dt by t cube. This is t power minus 3. T power minus 3 means t power minus 2 by minus 2. So 1 by 2 into t square plus c. 1 by 2 t square plus c. This is equal to 1 by 2 into t square. T square means here 1 by t square. 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x power 5 whole square plus c. Let us simplify. This is x power 5 plus x cube plus 1 whole square, x to the power 5 x cube plus 1 whole square by x power 5 whole square means x power 10, and this is 2 plus c. So x power 10 by 2 into x power 5 plus x cube plus 1 whole square. So this is the second one, is the option. The second problem is, let fx is equal to 1 minus integral part of x, that is step x plus x, and gx is equal to minus 1 for x less than 0, 0 for x equal to 0, 1 for x greater than 0. If hx is equal to x into g of f of x for all x belongs to R, then integral e to the power of hx into g to the power of fx minus hx by 1 plus hx whole cube dx. This is the problem. These are the options. Here it indicates the greatest integer function. Now the solution. Let us look into the solution. What is fx? Fx is equal to 1 plus x minus step x. X minus step x is nothing but fractional part of x. 1 plus fractional part of x. The fractional part of x is always lies between 0 and 1. The first point is x minus step x is equal to fractional part of x. The second one is for all x belongs to R, 0 less than or equal to fractional part of x less than 1. Okay, so this is 0 or more than 0. So this is greater than or equal to 0. Sorry, greater than or equal to 1. So fx is greater than or equal to 1. Now g of f of x. G of f of x. Here fx is greater than or equal to 1. Gx is 1 if x is greater than 0. So this is greater than or equal to 1. For x greater than 0, gx is 1. So g of f of x is 1. So this is 1. Now hx is equal to x into g of f of x. X into g of f of x. This is equal to x. Now therefore I is equal to integral e to the power of hx. That means e to the power of x into g of f of x 1 minus h of x minus x by 1 plus hx. Hx is x. 1 plus x whole cube and this is 1 dx. Now here we will apply this formula. E power x into integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx, where f dash x is nothing but a derivative of fx. If this is the case, the formula is e to the power of x plus e to the power of x into f of x plus c. These are a few formulae. We will make use of this formula here. Here e to the power of x into, this can be written as 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1 minus x. So you can take like this by 1 plus x whole cube dx. This can be split as integral e to the power of x into 2 by 1 plus x whole cube minus 1 plus x by 1 plus x whole cube. 1 by 1 plus x whole square dx. Now suppose this is f of x. What happens? Now suppose f of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Then what is the derivative? F dash x is equal to minus 2 by 1 plus x whole cube into derivative of 1 plus x is 1. So if you put minus here, it will become positive. So this is fx and this is f dash x. So it is in the form of e power x into fx plus f dash x dx. E power x into fx plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into fx. So e power x into minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square plus c. This is minus e to the power of x. X is nothing but hx. E to the power of hx by 1 plus x. X means hx. Hx whole square plus c. So minus e to the power of hx by 1 plus hx whole square plus c. The fourth one is the option. The next problem is integral 1 plus x minus 1 by x into e to the power of x plus 1 by x dx. This is also a question given in JEE mains in 2016. Now let us look into the solution. This I will write it as e to the power of x plus 1 by x dx plus integral e to the power of x plus 1 by x 1 by x into x minus 1 by x dx. This can be written as e to the power of x plus 1 by x dx plus this is take x common, x into e to the power of x plus 1 by x into 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Now here if you take x plus 1 by x as t, then this will become e power t and its derivative is this. Suppose if you consider x plus 1 by x as t, then 1 minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. So with this supposition I can say that this is e power t dt. So here we will apply the integration by parts, taking this as the first function and this as the second function. Integration by parts. For example, if f and g are in E2 functions, then integral f into g, fg of x dx is equal to, that is equal to integral fx into gx dx. For example, if you treat this as a second function, if you treat this as a first function into integral second function minus integral of derivative of the first function, that is f dash x into integral second function gx dx whole dx. This is the formula. So now I'll apply here the integration by parts. E to the power of x plus 1 by x dx plus first function into the integral of this one. This is it is in the form of e power t dt. So e power x plus 1 by x minus integral derivative of x 1 into the integral of the second function, e to the power of x plus 1 by x dx. Now this can be taken as e to the power integral. You can cancel these two. So this is x into e to the power of x plus 1 by x plus c. This is the result.